Oh God, come on, guys.
One more time.
My name's Dick Gammill, and I live out by Hampton Cove. I feel great about Advanced Roofing. I feel safe and secure, and I really don't know what we'd do without them. Brandon, I mean, he was here when he said he was going to be here. He and I talked. He sat down in my garage with me, and we kind of got to know each other. And I kind of felt pretty comfortable with that. His company is owned by a veteran. And I just think that's, I think that's important to me because I'm a veteran. A couple of these guys that came out to give me a quote were late. That drives me crazy. I'm not sitting around waiting for people. Brandon said it'll probably be a couple of 3 weeks, which was fine with me. He said, we'll probably deliver on this date. They delivered on that date. He said, we'll be out here on this date to do it. They were out here on this date to do it. They did it in 1 day. They cleaned up. Everything was done when he said it was going to be done, and it was done the way I thought it should have been done. And for that reason, I've recommended him several times. I thought he was the right guy for the job. He was the right guy for the job. I just felt comfortable with him, and he did a great job for me.